How to know your skin type, a step-by-step guide. Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will know how to recognize your skin type easily. There are 5 types of skin: normal, oily, dry skin, combination and sensitive skin. But before jumping into the video, we should know why it's important to know your skin type. Well, knowing your skin type is crucial in deciding which product would be the most beneficial for your skin type. Each skin type has its own characteristics, and we need to treat our skin according to their unique needs. Not only that, it also helps to choose the right product to maintain one's skin health. So let's start. Now let's start an easy 3-step process to know our skin type. Step 1. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Step 2. Now let your face air dry. Don't apply any moisturizer or anything, at least for 1 hour. Step 3. Observe your face after 1 hour, and examine how it feels. Now let's know which is your skin types and their characteristics. Normal skin. After air dry your face, if your skin feels neither too oily or nor too dry but well balanced, and do not feel any excessive sensitivity, then you have normal skin. Characteristics of normal skin. Normal skin have less pores, smooth texture and less prone to sensitivity, and it usually have healthy complexion. Normal skin especially not prone to breakouts, due to adequate amount of sebum production. And due to good balance of moisture, normal skin appears glowy, hydrating and plumpy all the time. Next up, oily skin. After air dry your face, if your skin is too oily, greasy and shiny, then you have oily skin. Characteristics of oily skin. Oily skin produces excess oil or sebum, which can make your skin appear greasy and extra shiny, particularly T-zone area. But due to excess oiliness, oily skin tend to have less wrinkles. It's a great advantage, isn't it? Oily skin tend to have large visible pores, which gets clogged with oils, dirts, resulting breakouts, acne, etc. It also causes pimple, whiteheads, blackheads. Dry skin. Now if your skin feels tight, rough and itchy, then you have dry skin. Characteristics of dry skin. Due to lack of moisture, dry skin feels tight, rough and looks dehydrated, dull and less elastic. Dry skin is prone to severe peeling, scaling and flaking. Fine lines and wrinkles are also more visible. During winter season, dry skin can become even more irritating, uncomfortable, itchy and rough. Next up is combination skin. After air dry, if T-zone of your face is oily, but cheeks and other areas are dry or normal, then you have combination skin type. Characteristics of combination skin. More active oil glands in T-zone area, and less active oil glands in cheeks and elsewhere. That's why T-zone tends to look shiny, compared to other areas of face. As T-zone like forehead, nose and chin is oily, it's prone to whiteheads and blackheads, and other areas feels dry or normal sometimes. This type of skin may experience different needs during different seasons. Sensitive skin. After air dry, if your face has become red, feeling itchy and uncomfortable, then you have sensitive skin. Characteristics of sensitive skin. Sensitive skin appears red and swollen most of the time, feels itchy, sometimes stings and burns, and more prone to sunburn. Highly reactive, reacts to any new products, harsh weather, or external environment easily. Dry sensitive skin can be more irritating than oily sensitive skin as skin texture is rough and dry. Remember, knowing your skin type is important to start a proper skincare routine, which will be more effective.